Can I expedite the processing time of my Canadian visa application after biometrics?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss an important question that many of you have asked. Can I expedite the processing time of my Canadian visa application after biometrics? This question is critical for those in a hurry to get their visas processed, so let's dive in.
Understanding the Canadian visa process.
The Canadian visa process involves several steps, starting from filling the application to providing biometrics. Biometrics are essentially your fingerprints and a photo used for identification purposes. After the biometrics, your application goes through a series of administrative processes which can take some time.
Can you expedite the process?
Now, coming to the main question, can you expedite the processing time after biometrics? The straightforward answer is, unfortunately, no. As per the information available until my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, the Canadian government does not offer an expedited service for visa processing after biometrics. The processing times largely depend on the type of visa and the volume of applications the embassy or consulate is handling.
What can you do?
Though you can't directly expedite the process, you can take some steps to ensure your application moves as swiftly as possible. 1. Complete your application accurately and thoroughly. Make sure all the information is correct and complete to avoid any delays. 2. Prepare your documents. Ensure that you have all the required documents ready and in the correct format. 3. Respond promptly. If you receive any request for additional information or documents from the immigration office, respond as quickly as possible. In conclusion, while you can't officially expedite the Canadian visa processing time after the biometrics, you can be proactive in ensuring that your application is complete, accurate, and promptly responded to any requests. This will help avoid any unnecessary delays in processing. I hope this video has been helpful, and best of luck with your visa application.